Hello, good morning to all. My dear friend, from Unit 4, today we were going to learn a story which show that the learning from our day to day experiences as an important as what we learn from the books in the school. Okay, let's see. I would like to ask you, do you have the elder brother? If you are having the elder brother, so I know the affectionate and respect to each other. So let's see this story. This story play is about two brothers who are affectionate, affectionate and respectful to each other. The story also shows that learning from our day-to-day life experiences is as important as what we learn from books in the school. This play is based on the famous story in Hindi Bade Bhai Sahab, written by Munshi Premchand. Let's see. Scene 1. Scene 1, a hostel room. Two brothers, age 9 and 14 years, sitting at a study table. The elder brother, Bhaiya, Bhaiya is reading a book and the younger one, Munna, is drawing pictures of birds and animals. See, Bhaiya is the elder brother and Munna is a younger one. This is the story of two brothers. Let's see what the Bhaiya is saying. Bhaiya, what are you doing, Munna? Bhaiya said, what are you doing, Munna? Munna said, I am drawing. Bhaiya said, when will you study? Where were you are where were you in the morning? The Bhaiya is asking to Munna. Munna said, turning pale, I was playing. Bhaiya, how can you sit with a book for hours together? Bhaiya said, that's because I want my foundation in the education to be very strong. If the base is strong, then building will stand firmly. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. Here, firmly means fix, strong. Munna said, Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am and three classes ahead of me. I wonder why you keep writing the same word 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and copy poems several times in beautiful letters. Bhaiya said, You know, studying English is no child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject. To speak or to write English properly, tremendous effort is required. But the moment you get a chance, you run to the field, play marbles, and fly paper kites, or sit idling away with friends for fun. Can't you sit down and study? Munna said, Oh bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village today. Should we go? Bhaiya said, Have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or a hockey match? I don't go near them. I prepare to study a book. I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years, but you might stay in the same class all your life. Do you expect to pass if you waste your time playing all the time? You are simply wasting father's hard earned money. This is saying Bhaiya to the Munna. Munna starts crying on being scolded and Sobbing sounds wah wah, ba ba, ha ha, hoo are heard. Now Munna is crying due to Bhaiya is scolding him. Munna said, Bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home. Bhaiya said, now, stop crying. Now, now stop crying. Put on a nice smile. Look, I will make a timetable for you to follow. Get up at dawn. My dear children, you can see the timetable is made by Bhaiya to the Munna. Let's see. Munna, after saying all the timetable, Munna said, but when is the time to play? Bhaiya said, play? What is the need? Munna. Munna said, oh, I love the green fields and the gentle breeze. I want to jump up like a football. I like to touch and go and hututu sound of the kabaddi and the hurry and the flurry of volleyball pulls me like a magnet. As soon as I am on the field, I forget everything. This is saying Munna to his elder brother Bhaiya. Now let's see the scene 2. The final exams are over and the results are out. Bhaiya, Bhaiya said, alas, I have failed once again. Munna, oh, but Bhaiya, I have passed and topped my class. Now there is only 2 years difference between us. Bhaiya said, but my dear brother, don't be so proud. You have passed only one class and you think that I am stupid and you are smart. Once in a while, a gulli danda game. You might get lucky and hit a goal, but that does not mean you have mastered in the game. You have to work hard to be successful in life. When you have to study a subject like algebra or geometry in higher classes, then you will understand the importance of the work. In geometry, if one writes to ACB instead of ABC, the answer is marked wrong. The examiners will not spare you. They want you to learn word by word from the textbooks. Munna said, oh Bhai Saab, this is a scarcity. I don't think I I want to go to the 9th class now, but I will still complete my day's homework so that I get no punishment in the class. Bhaiya said, just today we were asked to write a short essay on the topic punctuality in 4 pages. And imagine, can something be written on 4 pages and still be short? It's all mix up. Munna said, thinking aloud. Thank God it was time for school, or else the scolding would have gone on and gone. My dear students, this is the scene 1 and scene 2. In tomorrow's video, we will see the scene 4 and onwards. You must read what we learn. Thank you.